2026 year of the snake. Look at the Eastern calendar. It's the year of the snake. The snake is a creature which causes us fear and disgust. Cold, slippery, poisonous. But Vanga, a blind clairvoyant from Bulgaria, had a different attitude towards snakes. She said, "The snake is wise. It hears the trembling of the earth before man, and she never attacks first." In the archives of Vitka Petrovskaya, Vanga's assistant, a recording of a conversation dated 1993. Vanga was then asked about the distant future, about the mid-20s. Years of the 21st century. Vanga fell silent, as if listening to something, and then uttered words, the meaning of which we are only now beginning to understand. A year of creeping silence will come, a year when the green snake will wrap itself around the globe and begin to tighten its coils. What does this mean? 2026 is the year of the green wooden snake. Vanga saw this image. The snake will shed its skin, she said. Old skin, dry, dead, will crack and fall off in chunks. It will hurt. The world will itch, but underneath the old skin will appear new. Shiny, young is a prophecy about global geopolitics. Old Kozesk is the old world order. A system that has outlived itself. Yourself. Alliances that exist only on paper. Money that has no weight. In 26, all of this will begin to fall away. Vanga warned, don't try to sew dead skin back on. It won't grow back. Let it fall off. Those countries that will cling to the past, to the old rules, for hegemony, they will wither away along with the skin. And those who are not afraid of the pain of renewal will shine with new scales. But the snake is not only a renewal, it is also a poison. Vanga said, in the year of the snake, fear what the eye cannot see. The poison will be in the air, but don't be afraid to breathe. Be afraid to believe. Mystics interpret this in two ways. Either it is a new wave of diseases, quiet, creeping, or more likely it's information poison. Lies. In 2026, lies will become so toxic that people will be poisoned by the news. Go crazy with fakes. The poison will become sweet, Vanga whispered. People will drink it themselves from beautiful cups. Salvation lies in only one thing, the wisdom of the snake. The snake never fusses. It lies on a stone and watches. Vanga advised, this year, be like snakes. Don't make any unnecessary movements. Don't shout. Watch and strike only when the enemy steps on your tail. There is also a third prophecy about Russia. Vanga always spoke about Russia with awe. In the year of the snake, she saw our country as a treasure keeper. In fairy tales, snakes often guard treasures. Northern land, said Vanga, will become a nest for a wise snake. Everyone will run, fuss, seek salvation, and the snake will coil around of his wealth and won't let anyone in. What wealth are we talking about? Oil, gold? No. Vanga said, wealth is spirit and pure water. In 26, the world will understand the value of pure water and clear conscience. And Russia will be the place where this is preserved. But be careful, the snake does not forgive. Betrayal, Vanga warned. Whoever strikes in the back in the year of the snake will receive a bite in the heart. The 26th year will instantly become a year of karmic retribution. The boomerang launched years earlier will return. Politicians who have lied for decades will suddenly lose their voice. Corporations that robbed the people will suddenly crumble to dust. This is the bite of justice. Vanga left some advice for ordinary people this year. Keep your home closed, keep your mouth shut, and guard your heart. Warm. Snakes are cold-blooded. They need external warmth. In 2026, spiritual warmth will be in short supply. People will become cold, calculating, snake-like in the bad sense of the word. Your task is not to cool down, not to turn into a viper, which bites its own. Vanga considered the summer of 1926 to be especially dangerous. When the sun is at its zenith, the snake will become angry from the heat. July and August. Conflicts over resources are possible, water, food. Vanga saw dry fields and empty rivers. But she also said, whoever endures will see the rain. So, 2026 is the year of the snake, the year of the shedding of the skin, the year when the old world will die, for a new one to be born. Don't be afraid of the hissing. Be afraid of those who smile in your face, hiding the sting. Listen to the silence. There will be answers. And remember, snake venom is in small doses. This is medicine. The trials of the 26th year were given to us for healing, so that we could peel away the husk and become real. History moves forward. You have been warned.